Welcome back to another Juke tutorial. Today we're removing the outer rear door handle. You don't need to remove the door card for this. This one's nice and simple as well. Just literally need a trim tool and a 10mm. First off, we're going to pop out the connecting rod. That's removed. Just pull back this little white foamy bit. So that's all 3 bolts removed. They're just 10mm nuts. Oh, sorry, 10mm bolts. You can do this just by removing the little triangle rather than take the door card off. And now you just want to give it a sharp pull towards you. And there we go. That's the removal of a rear door handle on a Nissan Juke. Thank you again for tuning in to another tutorial at Two Spanners. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.